Conan, this video is somewhat of a confession for me because I have to say I have had a ridiculous crush on you for my entire adult life. But through a lot of heavy drinking and a lot of very intense therapy, I have found I know I can't have you. So I've had to create and find my own Conan O'Brien.
Woo! Yeah. All right! Man, all right, going on! Ow!
He's me,
Ow!
Jack Reed, my Conan O'Brien. Clearly, we won't be taking my car, but good thing we have Big Red and the Big Red Mobile.
I knew you'd love this car because it's orange, but I bought it because it's got retired NBA basketballs for leather seats.
Wow, I guess you don't have to be Conan O'Brien to have really cool shit.
There we go.
I always take my special out for big occasions at the Junction in Southie.
That's because this is the only time that I get to look down on my Conan O'Brien. Ladies and gentlemen, our favorite Junction waitress, Mandy Richter. Jack, what do you get to eat?
Well, Mandy, I'd like to get an order of the coconut shrimp, spinach artichoke dip, steak tips, cheese like salad.
Whoa, Conan. You can only order rice on the menu.
What did you order to go?
You know I love dessert. I ordered the special, the Hastings pudding.
You bitch! The Hastings? Should have known better.